Hello guys, now I am going to show you how to generate a map visual with respect to the rough and loaded geocode in a data set. So you upon the left side you can able to see that there is a data which contains a geocode. You can see here if you want to assure whether it contains a geocode or not, you can able to see that upon the bottom side latitude generated and longitude generated. That means that geocode has been generated with it, and there are multiple entities like this. It indicates that geodata. Okay, so this indicates a geographical data, so that has been displayed over here. So now we are using this software called tableau public in order to exhibit whether these geocodes are working there properly or not. Upon the right side you can able to see a show me. Upon there you can able to see what are the data which are necessary to make a BAM visual. So we need one geodata, 0 or more dimensions are necessary, and 0 to 2 measures only we can, it is applicable only for 2 measures. Apart from 2 measures we can't able to give it, that is a limitation. So there are two types of visuals are there, that is called one with a symbol map and then map try. There are two map visuals are there. Let us use map try. First I am going to load a data set. So just load the state. I can load the state or also postal code for an example. So if I am loading a postal code, so irrespective of the postal code, it will be get generated. You can see here the postal code, irrespective of postal code, it has been generated. But the maps are not visual, sir. What can I do? Not an issue. Just move on and choose geographical role and choose city or else a country or else state. That is up to you. So I'm going to make it with the state. So as soon as the state has been loaded, you can see here. So if it is not getting generated, just use this method, that is enough. Okay, so now the postal code, irrespective of postal code, it has been loaded. You can see here. Now what you want, I want the profit need to be made with the colors. So the profit will be defined by the color defines the profit, and you can see here that orange color defines it, the profit, that is of profit is less, and the thick navy blue color, that indicates that the profit is higher. So now if you want to adjust it, you can make it with your own colors. So I'm going to make it with my own color, or else I'm going to choose 3 color or 2 color options like red. You can choose with your gradient fills also. So I'm going to use divergence. So I'm going to apply it. So the divergence is going to be applied, and I want the profit need to be loaded as a label. So you can see here the profit is loaded as a label upon this side. It just shows the value. Suppose I want to make a filtering, of course you can make it with a filtering and you can able to load it out. So just load a profit as a filter, that is maximum or else minimum. So maximum. So the next I'm going to choose next. Then towards what is the least and at least lost and least value, you can load it out. So I doesn't want a loss, I want only the profit. Okay, so I want only the profit. So just I'm going to choose from 0. So I want only the profit, so apply it. So the loss will not be shown, only that profit will be shown over here. But some cases these type of issues may occur, so there is no issues with it. So the maximum value, so the maximum of value has been shown. If you want to re-alter it, you can re-alter it. Okay, we can edit the filters and we can able to make it out. So what you want, actually 0, but upon the side this is not adjust. So that is why the problem is. So we can adjust it, back it again, so the problem will be rectified, or else we can choose it from 1. Still it is not refreshed, so we can make it with our own case. Sometimes these type of issues may occur if it is outdated version, but there is no issues with it, don't worry upon it. Okay, let us start it with 34 itself. So upon the 34 it will be get refreshed back it again. So suppose if it is not refreshed, don't worry upon it. Sometimes these type of issues may occur, but don't worry, this is a filtering part. So I'm going to take it out from it again, it will be get refreshed. Sometimes the minus orders will not be get refreshed, but don't worry upon it. This is an bug with respect to software, but don't worry upon it. This is a map visual, so likewise we can able to generate our own map visuals. Thank you very much.